I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our channel Agla Sem Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 12, that is mensuration. So starting with the first question of our second exercise, that is 11.2. Our first question says the shape of the top surface of the table is trapezium. We have to find its area of parallel sides are given, that is 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. In this figure we have shown, right? So answer is one parallel side of trapezium is 1 meter, that is given to us, and second parallel side of the trapezium is 1.2 meter. It is also given. So the height also given to us, that is 0.8 meter, right? This. So area of top surface we can find easily by applying the formula, that is 1 by 2 bracket a plus b into h. So applying a plus b, that is 1 plus 1.2 into 0.8, which is height. So our answer will be 0.88 meter square. Moving to a second question which says the area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of the one parallel side is 10 centimeter. And its height is 4 centimeter. So we have to find the length of the other parallel side. So the answer is, let the length of the other side be b. And one side is given, that is 10 centimeter. And the height is also given, that is 4 centimeter. So again, by applying the formula of area of trapezium, that is 1 by 2 bracket a plus b into h. And a is given to us, that is 10. And we have to find b, other side. We will write b into height. Height is given, that is 4 centimeter. And the area of trapezium is also given, that is 34 centimeter square. So by placing the value, you will get the another side, which is 7 centimeter. Moving to a third question which says length of the fence of trapezium shaped field ABCD is 128 meter. Is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter and CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter, we have to find the area of this field. And the side AB is perpendicular to parallel side, that is AD and BC. It is given AD is parallel to BC. Right, so we have to solve it. First of all, we can write the given statement, that is BC is equal to 48 meter. It's given to us. CD is equal to 17 meter, that is given to us, and AD is equal to 40 meter. It is also given. And one more thing is given, that is P is 120 meter. So the perimeter of trapezium ABCD will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And perimeter is given to us, that is 120. So applying it, we will get 105. That is AB we will get as 15. So the area of field is 1 by 2 bracket BC plus AD into AB. So by solving it, we will have the area of field as 660 meter square. Moving to a fourth question which says the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. We have to find the area of field. We have to find the area of field. So again, we can write the given statement, that is height is given to us. One height is given 13 meter and the other height is given 8 meter, right? So we can name it as H1 and H2. And AC is given, this one, as 24. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equals to area of triangle, that is ABC, and area of triangle ADC, that is ADC. First of all, we can take this triangle and the other triangle is this to us. So applying the formula, we will get 252 meters square, the area of quadrilateral. Moving to our question number 5, it says the diagonal of the rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. We have to find the area. Again, given statement we can write, that is D1 7.5 centimeter and D2 12 centimeter. We know that area of rhombus is 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. So applying this in D1 and D2, we will get 45 centimeter square. That is the area of rhombus. Moving to a sixth question, which says find the area of rhombus whose side is 6 cm and whose altitude is 4 cm. If one of the diagonal is 8 cm long, find the length of the other diagonal. So we have to know that rhombus is a kind of parallelogram. So the area of rhombus is base into altitude. So base is given to us, that is 6, and altitude is given to us, that is 4. So we will get the area of rhombus as 24 cm square. So now the area of rhombus, that is 1 into d1 into d2. Now applying the formula this and putting the value, we will get area of rhombus as we have find, that is 24. Applying 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, that is 8 into d2. We can find d2 from here, that is 6 cm. Moving to a seventh question, which says the floor of the building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonal are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. We have to find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So here d1 is 45 cm and d2 is 30 cm. So the area of one tile we can find it, that is 1 by 2 into 45 into 30, that is 675 cm square. And the area of 3000 tile we have to multiply by 3000 with 675. So our answer will be 2025000 cm square. Now we have to convert the meter square into centimeter square. So we will get 202.50 meter square. So the cost of polishing floor per square will be rupees 4 and the cost of polishing 202.50 square meter will be 4 into 202.50, which will give you 810. Moving to our eighth question, which says Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its shape along the river is parallel to the twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel side is 100 meter, we have to find the length of the side along the river. So the perpendicular distance, that is h, is given to us, that is 100 meter, right? So the area of trapezium shaped, that is 10500 meter square, it is also given. So the side along the road will be x, we have to assume, and the other side will be 2x. This we have to assume. So the area of trapezium is 1 by 2 a plus b into h. By putting the value, we will get 10500 equals to 3x into 50. Further solving, we will get 3x is equal to 10500 upon 50, that will give you 70 meter. So the other side will be 2 into x, that is 2 into 70 is equal to 140 meter. Moving to a ninth question, which says top surface of the raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the figure, that is this one. We have to find the octagonal surface. So the octagonal have 8 equal sides, we know this, each 5. This is 5, 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 this is 5 and this is 5. All are given as 5. Right. So now we have to divide the octagon in 3 figures. 2 trapezium whose parallel and perpendicular sides are 11 meter and 4 meter. And the third figure is rectangle having length and breadth 11 meter and 5 meter. It's very easy and simple. Area of 2 trapezium will be 2 into 1 by 2 a plus b into h. By putting the formula, we will get 64 meter. Now area of rectangle is L into b, that is 11 into 5. We will get 55 meter square. So the total area of octane will be 64 plus 55, that is 119 meters square. Moving to our 10th and last question, which says there are pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. These are the figure. We have, for finding this areas, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into the 2 different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. You can suggest some other way of finding this area. So the first way is by Jyoti's diagram, that is this diagram, we can find the area. So the area of pentagon is area of trapezium ABCD, that is ABCD plus area of trapezium AEDP. We can find it and putting the formula, we will get 1 by 2 30 plus 5 CP plus DP. Further, we can have it as 337.5 meters square. And the second way is here a perpendicular AM drawn to BE is AM is equal to 30 minus 15, that is 15 meter. So area of pentagon is triangle ABE plus square BCDE. So by applying the formula, we will get 337.5 meter square. This is all for this exercise, guys. If you have any doubt related to any of the question, please put your query in the comment section below. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.